I'm making this rosemary mint herb compote butter to upgrade your steaks, bread, and all your dishes really. This is 250 grams of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, then add some salt to balance the flavor. Let the butter soften. It should be easy to handle without being greasy or melting. Mix it until it's fluffy and smooth. To enhance the flavors, I'm adding some roasted garlic. Separate it into cloves and remove the peppery skin. Cut or crush the garlic cloves open. Place them in a foil. Drizzle some oil on the garlic for moisture, then add a little salt for seasoning. Not so much because the butter is already salted. Rub them together so the garlic is well coated. Wrap them tightly to trap the steam and help them roast evenly. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until the garlic is soft, golden, and fragrant. Mash the roasted garlic a little. It should be soft and spreadable. Add it to the butter. For the herbs, I'll be using fresh mint and rosemary. Clean the herbs and dry them properly. You can use any herbs you like. Separate the leaves from the stems. This combination is one of my favorite because the rosemary brings that earthy pine-like flavor while the mint adds a cool brightness that cuts through rich foods. Cut the leaves into very fine pieces. Make them as small as possible so they blend into the butter nicely. You can use a food processor to cut the herbs, but I find it easier to just use a knife. They look fine like this. Add them to the butter. Mix until they are evenly distributed in the butter. You can see those beautiful green flakes throughout. If you feel like the herbs are too many, reduce the amount or increase the amount of the butter. I don't mind it like this. It makes the compote butter super flavorful. Just know you will notice the herbs in the dishes you use it in. Scoop the butter onto a cling film and spread it evenly. Wrap it up, twist the ends like a candy wrapper and roll the butter into a log. Place it in the freezer for about 45 minutes to firm up. Unwrap it and it's ready to store. You can also put it in an airtight jar before it hardens, but when it's a log like this, it's easier to cut when using. It will keep in your fridge for up to 2 weeks, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months. This compote butter makes everything taste like it came from a fancy restaurant.